Good morning, guys. You guys already know what time it is. 5 a.m. Got my goals up here for merch, Etsy, and YouTube. This is the ultimate goal right here that I look at while I'm working, uploading shirts onto merch. 10 grand a month for all income streams, merch, Etsy, YouTube, audiobooks. Try and use like law of attraction to help me achieve it. You know, I want to hit my goals so I can give my family the life that I want, go on vacations, travel to see family members in other parts of Mexico and the United States, spend time with them. All that stuff's going to cost money, you know, got to pay for airline tickets, hotels. But if I want to achieve these goals, I got to put in the work. It's going to take consistency, dedication, and discipline. But like I said, it's 5:04. I'm going to jump in the shower and get to work. Let's go. All right, so it is 6 o'clock now, and I'm just checking my sales from yesterday. So pretty good day on merch, 45 sales, 5 returns, $50 in royalties, and an average royalty of 1.13. Remember, the goal is to get to $100 a day, so did about half of that, but that's okay. It's going to take time. Now, stats for Etsy. I did 3 sales, 102 in revenue. So that's going to be a profit of probably around $40. I actually used a $10 coupon from Printful. And then my stats from for YouTube. Now they won't show me yesterday, so they'll only show me 2 days. But I did $6 yesterday and got 28 subscribers. So I'm on the right path. Just got to keep grinding. Let's go. All right, so it is almost 7 a.m. in the morning, and I just got done uploading for about an hour. I did 12 designs, which is going to put me at 117 uploads for today. I do have 1 sale. It is a total eclipse sale. That's probably the best niche right now. But it is Saturday. As you can see, it's family day, it's cheat day, and I'm actually going to go ahead and meet up with my sponsor right now. We're going to go to an AA meeting, which I'll talk about with you here in a little bit. So if you guys have been following me on my YouTube channel, you guys know that I don't drink or do drugs. I've actually been clean and sober for 8 years. And the reason why is because I used to have a drug and alcohol problem when I lived in the United States, and even when I first moved down here to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. But once I became a father, actually when my girlfriend told me that she was pregnant, I decided to quit, but I needed to get some help. I couldn't do it by myself. So I started to go to NA meetings and AA meetings. And thanks to those programs, I was actually able to completely quit all drugs, all alcohol, even cigarettes. And I've been clean and sober, like I said, for 8 years now, and it's still a big part of my life. That's actually where I'm walking right now. Once a week, I chair a meeting, an NA meeting. So I'm basically the person that sets up the chairs, makes the coffee, kind of like runs the meeting. And it's really just given me a life worth living. Because I was like on a downward spiral. I was a mess, but I was able to get my life back together thanks to both of those programs. And probably the best part about being a member of NA or NA is that I'm able to be present in the lives of the people that I care and love. So like my son, you know, I'm always around. He's never seen me drunk, because since he's been born, you know, I've never been drunk. I'm able to be present in my girlfriend's life and give her the attention that she needs. Also with my parents, they're getting kind of old. My dad had some, you know, problems in the hospital, and I was able to take him to the hospital, take care of him, bring him medicine. And, you know, that's going to make me feel good. You know, when I put my head down at night to go to sleep, I can feel good about myself and not have those feelings of guilt and remorse. So if you're struggling with drugs or alcohol, definitely recommend that you check out NA or NA. It will help you, or at least it helped me turn my life around. All right, let's go. All right, so this is my home group right here. If you look right there, that blue awning where it says NA, the Basic Club, that's my home group that I go once a week. This is where I'm going to meet my sponsor, and then we're going to drive over to an AA meeting over by one of the malls. So I'll show you what that's like. All right, so we just got done with the meeting. It was actually a meditation meeting, so we did half-hour meditation, then a little big book study, followed up with a little bit of sharing, but done now, and I think we're about to go get some shrimp burritos, which I've never had before, so we're gonna go ahead and give those a try, and I'll let you know how they are. So the shrimp burrito place was actually closed, so we ended up going to my sponsor's friend's taco stand. He has it right here, basically on the street. But you can see he does chorizo and steak, and I ended up getting 3 tacos, 2 steak, 2 chorizo. The chorizo was actually better than the steak, so I got another one of those. But they were very good. With the Coca-Cola, it is a cheat day, so I did break my diet, but definitely recommend this place. Okay, so it is 1:22 p.m. right now. Just got back from having some tacos, and just a quick sales update, sitting at 26 sales, $25 in royalties. Still got a lot of time left in the day. I'm about to get ready and take my family to the mall. I'm gonna go get some sushi and some Carl's Jr. and enjoy the day there. So here we are arriving at the mall. This is the view of the marina where the cruise ships come when they visit us here in Puerto Vallarta. This is a shot of the food court where we got our sushi. Max with his new toy, he got a King Kong and a Godzilla toy. It was a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but it made him happy. And this is our food right here. So I got the sushi. It's shrimp sushi with chicken. I get it every time. It's really good. It doesn't really look that good because it was takeout. We had to bring it over to Carl's Jr. But we got onion rings for Maddox. Denise got her 2 rolls of sushi, and Max got his, what are they called? Chicken stars that he gets every time. And this is what Denise's sushi looks like right here. I think she got a banana roll, which is that one right there, and then I forget what the other one's called. It might be like a California roll or something like that. And we always have to get a nice chocolate milkshake that Maddox and I share. And then after eating that, we headed over to the arcade as always, played some of his favorite games, and then we tried to hit the 1,000 tickets so we can get some more toys for Maddox, but we weren't able to hit it. I think we ended up getting like 40 or 30. But then it was time to get some candy. Actually, Mexico has pretty good candy down here. So that was how we finished up our day at the mall. So every now and then I like to come up here at the end of a day and just enjoy the sunset. You can see how nice it is with the pool behind me and the sunset. Puerto Vallarta has some of the beautiful sunsets that I've seen. Now, not every day is as nice like this, but every now and then we get a really nice one. Today it's looking pretty good. You can see the pool, the infinity pool. Check out how nice the view is. But we will probably be at this pool tomorrow, having another family day. Come up here for a couple hours. My son loves it, but I just want to show you the nice view, the nice sunset from up here. It's one of the benefits of living down here in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Comment below, let me know what you think. All right, so it is 10:30 p.m. and I'm about to go to bed, and I just want to do a final sales update for the day. So I ended up doing 55 sales. Actually, it was 59 sales, 4 of them canceled. I had 4 returned, and I'm doing $74 in royalties. So overall, actually, a really good day. That's going to put me at 100 sales for the month and $125 for the day. And then I actually already did my daily, my habit tracker. Usually I will check this off, but you can see I did wake up at 5. You know, I didn't hit the gym, I didn't fast. I kind of messed up on my diet on the past couple days, but that's okay. Today was a cheat day. I'm not gonna beat myself up too bad about it. I'm just going to lock in tomorrow, and usually I do pretty good from Sunday to Thursday. But you know, I stayed sober. I'm about to pray right now. I did meditate, I did make my bed, I did make my lime water. For the work habits, I didn't do 25 designs. I think I only did like half, but I did upload a YouTube video. I did do a YouTube post and a couple Instagram posts, but I kind of slacked off these past few days, but no big deal. I'm gonna get right back on it tomorrow. So that is where I'm at with my goals and my habits. But thanks so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.